Hi friends! It's been a little while, hasn't it? We've been super busy, but guess what, we're back with a brand new folding fun video. Today, let's fold a beautiful carnation flower. You'll need 2 red origami papers and 1 small green paper about 1/4 of the size. First, take the red paper and fold it in half both ways to make 4 equal squares. Now, cut along the fold lines to make a total of 8 small squares. Be careful with scissors or cutters. If you prefer, you can use a letter opener or ruler to help cut safely. Now that we have 8 small red squares, let's fold the petals. Take 1 piece and fold it into a triangle. Fold it in half again, and then fold 1 layer outwards like this. That's 1 petal. Keep folding until you have 8 petals. Next, take 4 petals first and get your glue ready. Add some glue on the back of the petal here. And tuck it into the pocket of the next one. Then glue the next petal and slide it in the same way. Keep going until you have 4 petals connected.
Magic signs, every fold is full of shine. Fold with me, buzzing bright like creativity. Every crease, a brand new beat. Let your fingers dance so sweet.
Now take the other 3 petals and glue them together the same way. Place this group of 3 on top of the first 4, using glue to hold them. Finally, glue the last petal right in the center on top. Your flower is done. Let's make the green leaf base next. Take one small green paper, just one of the 4 pieces. Fold it in half both ways, then unfold. Flip the paper over and fold it diagonally both ways to make an X shape. Now pinch along the folds to make a triangle pocket. Turn the triangle like this. Fold one layer toward the center line. And then fold the back layer slightly apart, leaving a little space.
Grab your paper, let's unlock it. B is here, so don't you stop.
That's your leaf base.
We're folding non-stop.
Now put some glue inside and attach your flower right on top.
Twist and flip, you've got it. Fold with me
And there you go, your origami carnation is complete. If you liked folding with B today, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.